So you've washed a car before, and now you're keen to learn some more. Let's step it up to the deep clean in 5 simple steps. Here's what you'll need. First of all, your gloves and safety glasses.
Then 2 buckets, a wash mitt, car wash, wheel brush, wheel cleaner, drying towel or chamois, tyre dressing, bumper and trim dressing, a quick wax or ceramic spray, glass cleaner, upholstery cleaner, vinyl cleaner, microfiber towels and a garden hose.
And a vacuum cleaner. Okay, park it up where runoff won't enter any drains, and let's get into step 1. Cleaning your wheels. Clean your wheels using the wheel cleaner and brush as we covered in the basic clean video. It's super simple, so let's move on to step 2. Washing and drying your car. We'll use the 2 bucket method in this wash. It helps to reduce scratches and swirl marks. Add your car wash to 1 bucket and fill the other with water. Then proceed to rinse and wash your car using the same technique demonstrated in the basic clean video. Haven't seen it? Well, now's your chance. When it's time for more suds, first give your wash mitt a rinse in the fresh water bucket, then dunk it into the soapy water. Go ahead and finish that wash, then move on to drying with a chamois or drying towel. The drying towel's faster and usually won't need to be wrung out. However, when required, wringing out is difficult. The chamois is slower but easy to wring out. Whatever you do, don't drop the drying towel. The dirt it picks up will scratch your car. A chamois can be thoroughly rinsed if you drop it, but the drying towel must go in the wash.
With your car clean and dry, park it up in the shade and it's time for step 3, the wax and shine. For this, you can choose a traditional spray wax or ceramic spray. What's the difference? Well, many enthusiasts prefer the look of wax over ceramic, and it is generally cheaper, but on a daily driver, it may only last a few weeks. Ceramic spray will last much longer. The trade-off is a slightly higher purchase price. Depending on the product, you may apply it to a wet or dry vehicle. Spray your chosen product directly onto the paint if directed, or onto a microfiber towel, wipe onto the panel and allow it to dry as specified on the bottle, before buffing with a separate clean microfiber towel.
Now let's finish off the exterior with step 4, trim and tyres. Any bare plastic and rubber trim will benefit from a coat of trim dressing to preserve and restore that deep black shine.
Always apply it using a fresh microfiber towel or applicator to avoid making a mess of your freshly cleaned paint and glass.
Apply Tyre Shine following the instructions from our basic clean video, and after this you might like to grab some glass cleaner and clean any overspray before you move on to the final stage. Step 5, the interior clean. Start with a clean out, vacuum and apply protectant as seen in the basic clean video. Then grab your fabric cleaner and go hunting for stains. Soak any stains you find on the seats, door trims or in the carpet for 5 to 10 minutes. Then wipe and dab with a fresh microfiber towel. If the stain remains, apply a little more solution and scrub gently. Repeat this until the stain is gone. Now your interior looks and smells fresh. Deep clean, done. Now if you really want to make it super, check out our next DIY, the Advanced Super Clean. Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.
Make it super at Supercheap Auto.